Hi, my name is David. Today we're going to do a CSS tutorial, apply visual design on freeCodeCamp. We're going to learn how to push elements left or right with the float property. So the float property, so we know that CSS follows a box model. When each element, they just stack on top of each other. So you see here, the header, welcome, this section stacks on top of content good stuff, stacks up on top of this one. And usually you want to use float or float to the left or right to remove it from the normal flow. And then so it goes left, so it goes right. So then you have more than one box, more than one element in one line. So it'll be aligned to each other. So if you move float one to the left and then you can float one to the right, they'll both be in the same line. So for this example, and it'll make columns, there you go, two columns. So this example, we want to work as a 2-column layout with a section and a side elements next to each other. Section here and a side here. And they put an ID for left and right. So we want to give the left ID an item of float to the left, and then the right ID float to the right. So we can see here that it's already there. And see this is float to the left with 50%. And this is 50%, this is 40%. So we give a float left. And there you go, it's to the left here. And then float right. And there should be 2 columns. And there you go. And then you see if this makes a 50%, this makes a 40%, and there's a 10% difference here. And that should be all. Thank you.